god! Gripping like hell with a Michelin medium 2s. Jesus Christ, they're good. Absolutely biting into there. Probably can't make it out on go, it's too far away. Me and Cookie are up though. Soaking wet today. Bozza is in. I'm totally going to beat you down this time. Hey? I'm going to beat you down. I'm going to let you go first, but I'm still going to come flying past you. Are you ready? Don't let me.
If you're anywhere near me, I'm picking you up.
I'm not going near him, but don't let me pass. Go, go, go! I'm not even going to go past him. I'm just going to let him go. I just want to go as fast as he dare. Oh! I was actually upside down. Oh my god! What's happened here, boss? How's that come off? Oh. Oh. Oh my god, that was funny. Oh, we love a bankside. I do believe Stucks has just put a move on me there. Oh, that's terrible. That's embarrassing. Oh, he's headbutted the branch. Oh my god. What was that? Oh my god, he's whipping it! Cookie's having one. Yes, lad! Oh! Yes! Whoa! Balls is in. Oh, it's a good effort. Yes, Boz. Lovely. Ooh. Oh my god. A bit worried about this. No. Nice. Woo-hoo! Bloody hell. Oh no. Dirty hands and dirty grips. Oh! Oh no!
Still going down.
Come on, lad.
This is thumbnail, isn't it?
Hang on. Oh dear. Yeah. Oh no! Oh. Yes, Jess. Come on, you got this, bruv. Oh dear. This is the crew today. Introductions. Cookie, Stuxy, Bozza, and today, guest rider, J-Lo. Coming in hot. Go on, lad. He's done it! Oh my god, it was amazing! Of all the times to lie about your weight, that wasn't the right time, was it?
I'll be 16 stone by the time that spring comes. What are you now, 25?
18.5 again.
Does it feel really soft?
Only when you do stuff like that. The rest of the time I like it.
Well, that's not too bad then.
We're down at
Why
Good! Go on, lad, yes! Yes!
Great effort that! If there had been anyone else it'd have looped down! Great effort!
It was like Teddy! That was sick, Jay!
If that had been any of us, bike would have just gone bang!
Yeah! Brilliant! That'll do. That'll do for me. Oh. Did you see that? That was best bit. Hey? Go on, Stux. This is sketch. Oh my god. I'm not feeling this. Oh. He's good, he's Jay.
Dark horse, isn't he?
Yeah. Oh my god. Oh my god. He's got some strength. Come on, Michelin. Let's set off on this hill. Yes, lad. Are you trapped? Oh my god! You alright? Alright, you're probably winded, mate. Alright, Jay. Just get your breath back. Just get your breath back, bro. You alright? Jesus Christ, Jay. Just got loose here and... Yeah. Boss, just pick my bike up for fuel. Bloody carburetors. Oh my god. Just have a minute, Jay, don't worry.
Yeah, have a rest for a wheel.
Oh my god, thought it was off again. Bloody brilliant, bozzer lad. Oh, it's blitzed it. Yes, lad. That doesn't sound great, does it? Easy, man. Come on, bozzer, lad. Oh. Not bad, stepped off, but... Jay. Oh, good at climbs is Jay. Bloody brilliant, you lot. You all did well.
How did that go?
Eh?
It's been miles driving that before and I've been trying to...
I know, don't know what happened there, it just seemed easier today for some reason. Oh, it's fun, that bit. Yes, Bozzer! I like Bozzer because he's up for a play about. Slippery logs. The seat's off. What's going on with that seat? Whoa, she's rough down there. Oh my god! I've taken a hand off to clean you. He absolutely filled us in there. I don't fancy it either, wicked. Oh yes, the Michelin saved me. What a tyre. J-Lo, Stuxy, Cookie and Bozzer in hot pursuit. Look at the views. What a day to be alive. Yes, kids, lovely that. Bloody brilliant, lad. You're a legend, you are, around these parts.
You know when you sat over there and you're looking up, you think, that'd be a right good hill climb. Unless it's too evil.
It's horrible, isn't it? Stux has parked his home there. Bloody hell, it's dark. Yes, Jay! Stux has gone for it through that claggy bit. Jamie's owning that option. Oh, not ideal for anybody, that. Listen to it. This is dirt biking in winter in England. Look at the slop. This bit might work. Yeah. I'm off opposite way to Stuxley. He's gone that way. Oh, he's beat me. Big one. Yes. Oh, what's this line? I didn't know about this line. Sorry for sniffing, got a runny nose again. Oh my god, how did he hold on to that? Jesus! Absolute rodeoed it down. Oh, some right power on. He's gone right through the middle of that bog. Oh man, that's got some water in it. Bloody hell. Yes, JLo. That's beautiful. Whew. We've been put for our paces today, like. Yes, lads.
And the more your body.
Oh! Wow! You went over the biggest bit. Oh my god! Look at the rocks you've put on it. Into reserve.
Me weren't there before.
No, I was coming in fast. I was like, back off. Oh my god! Jesus Christ! Oh, oh my God! Oh, help me! Just took a right branch to the face. I don't know what that looks like on camera, but yeah, so thanks for watching. These Michelin Medium 2s have been absolutely awesome again. Grab yourself a set of them. You know where to go for them. Like and subscribe, leave a comment, help me to help you, be a friend of the channel. Love you guys. Yeah, see you on the next one. Bosh!